Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Philipp Kommer, and at the Balluff company I am responsible for the development of our digital twins of our hardware components. As we all know, Balluff is a component manufacturer, and as such we are producing sensors such as vision or RFID sensors and a lot of more. And our goal is not only to provide these hardware components, but also digital twins of these hardware components. In our context, a digital twin is a piece of software with the same behavior as its physical counterpart. Our hardware components communicate with a real PLC. In the next step, we replace the real hardware component by a digital twin, without the PLC noticing that it's now communicating with a piece of software. But why are digital twins important for a company such as Balluff? Well, our customers use our digital twins for virtual commissioning. And Mr. Wildermuth from our technology partner BBS Automation will explain what virtual commissioning is all about.
Hello. I'm Dr. Dietmar Wildermuth, Head of Controls Engineering and Development at BBS Automation Stuttgart, formerly Teamtechnik. BBS Automation is the brand name of the production automation business unit in the Dürr Group, with 2,500 employees worldwide. We develop tailor-made automation solutions for industrial customers from all over the world, including automated assembly and testing systems. One example of a testing system is the fully automated EOL eDrive test bench that is shown here. When realizing this kind of machines and systems, we make comprehensive use of real-time simulation, virtual commissioning, and digital twins. So why do we cooperate intensively with Balluff in the field of digital twins? Well, Balluff offers us high-end digital component models that can be easily integrated in all of our simulation systems. In particular, the wide range of so-called FMUs, the functional mockup units, offers powerful simulation capabilities while at the same time being independent of specific simulation systems. Altogether, Balluff helps us a lot to continue to be at the top of digital twin activities in automation technology worldwide.
Thank you for our collaboration.
Thanks for this strong partnership.